If I were to ask you to find what 20% of 50 is, how would you do that? Well, your first step is going to be to convert the percent to decimal. So percent just means out of 100. So 20% is equal to 0.20. And as you can see, because it's out of 100, all we did was move the decimal place 2 places over. So now that we have our decimal, we need to multiply our decimal and 50 together. So 0.20 times 50 is equal to 10. And so that means that 20% of 50 is equal to 10. Now let's try one more problem, and this time pause the video and try it on your own. But when you come back, you'll see the process remains the same. What is 15% of 80? Well, our first step is going to be to convert the percentage into a decimal. So 15% is equal to 0.15. And as you can see again, all we did was move the decimal place 2 places over. So now that we have our decimal, 0.15 times 80 is equal to 12. And that means that 15% of 80 is equal to 12. So a key tip is you need to remember that percent means out of 100. So that's why we move the decimal place 2 places over. And a common mistake is that students will forget to convert the decimal, or the percent, before multiplying. You need to multiply a decimal with the whole number, not the percent. I hope this video helped. Thank you.